Hi, I'm Joy Harris, and I'm so happy to say my book, The Florida Cracker Cookbook, will be available soon, but you can pre order it now on Amazon. This is more than a cookbook, it is also a story about my Florida cracker heritage. From the piney woods of North Florida, where my fifth generation cracker father was born, to our condo by the bay, these recipes and stories reflect the changing culture of Florida cracker cooking. From my granny's sugar cookies to a new recipe for Florida orange coffee cake, the Florida Cracker Cookbook features those and more. Heirloom recipes, updated favorites, and many recipes from old cookbooks written at a time when Florida was becoming a more populated state. Basic cracker staples of cane syrup, wild honey, peanuts, cornmeal, grits, and sweet potatoes at one time made up most of the daily cracker diet. Homemade biscuits with cane syrup and cornbread hot from the griddle, creamy grits, and baked sweet potatoes are still a part of the menu, but we have so much more to add. From chess pie to chicken and dumplings, the recipes are in this book. Using the pie crust recipe I created, it also provides the foundation for my chicken and dumplings. But more than that, I tell the story of how some of our favorite foods have evolved through the decades. Following the path of biscuits and coffee shows how our ancestors were always looking for ways to make their daily chores easier and their family meals more delicious. I've included some of our holiday menus with recipes from gingerbread cake to gingerbread cookies and how to incorporate those cookies into a classic West Virginia stack cake in honor of my hillbilly cracker husband. The Florida Cracker Cookbook is dedicated to those generations of cracker families who helped to make Florida cuisine what it is today.